Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about how to remove the white background of this object, and a viewer or subscriber sent me a suggestion that I should know, but you don't ever think about it. Uh, you can use the object manager in this case, and I don't know if this is going to work. I'm going to try it on different clip arts and stuff just to see, but you can go to Windows, to Dockers, to Object Manager, and open up this layer, and it's hard to tell, but that's a white curve, and then this is a black curve, and you can actually go right here and expand it out and show the object properties, and you can see this is green or red 55, green 55, and blue 55, making that up that white, and then the black is just black, I guess. And I don't understand why they're all grouped together. Maybe because those are those little bitty spots I was talking about earlier. So what you could do, and he also said that he cannot find and replace in his version of Corel. So I'm using, I don't know when it started. I started with 3, and I need to really go back and look at that. But if you don't have, you definitely have Object Manager. And if you will click on the first white curve, holding down your shift button, and click on the last white curve, it will select them all, and then just hit delete. And that's pretty cool. So the only thing left is our yellow rectangle that you could hit and delete too. And now you have a perfectly white, no fill background, transparent. And all I did was put the yellow to the back of the page. Anyway, I thank him for that tip and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.